United Power is excited to announce that we have surpassed 100,000 meters. Being established as a small rural co-op, we started with just 110 meters, and now we're the 31st cooperative in the country to be able to say we serve more than 100,000. To celebrate, we wanted to give you a brief history of United Power, talk a little bit about how the technology of meters has evolved over the years, and then introduce you to our 100,000th meter family.
United Power was born Union REA, Union Rural Electric Association, and we changed that name in the early 90s to better reflect the type of company we wanted to be. We were much more rural, but we knew because of the transportation infrastructure, the location, there was huge potential for growth. So the significance of a 100,000 meter mark is quite remarkable. When I arrived here, we were at 13,000 meters. For those of us that have been involved with United Power for decades, it's a number that we thought might happen and really drove us to battle for the very existence of this cooperative. Will this company see 200,000 meters? Undoubtedly, it's just a matter of when.
An electric meter is used to keep track of how much electricity customers use over the month. The first electric meter was built in 1890, I believe. Back when they ran the electricity for these, usually the house just got like one light bulb in the house. Whereas today, you get one of these meters. This meter will run up to 200 amps in the house. For the one that I just showed you down there would run 5 amps. So that one wouldn't even run an air conditioner. These are all single phase meters. So these were all used on houses. This one here is a 3-phase meter. This was invented around the time the Industrial Revolution kind of took off, where they needed to have more than a 200 amp service. This meter actually set in the basement of the Woolworth store in Brighton, going from a 1904 meter to a 2014 meter. And just to see the technology that's happened between the two, it's pretty amazing.
So I want to be sure to welcome you and your family to the co-op family. You know, being a member of a rural electric cooperative is something very special. And United Power is special because we just hit 100,000 meters and you guys are it. We know that electricity is the future and everything that we're doing is to help our communities and folks like yourselves. So welcome to the United Power family.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. You are now member owners.